Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving if you come across a bad module info has stopped working error when attempting to run a video, game, or application on your Windows computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving it without too much of a hassle. So first thing you want to do is open up File Explorer. So if you have to open up the Start menu and search for it, or just select the File Explorer icon on your taskbar. And you want to go ahead and select this PC on the left side. So just go ahead and select that. Go underneath whatever drive Windows and more than likely your applications are installed on. If you have your applications on a separate external drive, you want to go under that. But we're going to go underneath our C drive. Basically, we want to get into the application folder of whatever program we're having an issue with. So we're going to go underneath program files here. So basically, we're going to go underneath whatever program we're having an issue with here. So let's just say, for example, Mozilla Firefox, which probably won't be in your case, but let's just say for some reason that's what's having an issue in our case. Underneath type, you want to locate the application, so basically the executable file here. And it should be pretty clear. Again, depending on your application, it will look a little different. So if you're playing Call of Duty or Minecraft or something along those lines, it will obviously say something different here, but application type should be application, or should definitely have the icon of whatever your program is, so it should be fairly easily identifiable here. And you want to right click on it and then select properties, select the compatibility tab, and then where it says disable full screen optimization, you want to go check mark that to make sure that's check marked in there. Basically, this stems from the game mode interfering with the normal application of programs in Windows 10. So you might have an older game that's maybe made for Windows 7, Windows 8, and you're running it, and now it's having compatibility issues on Windows 10. So that's what I would suggest check marking in here. So again, disable full screen optimization. Once that's done, go ahead and select apply and OK, and then just close out of here. Would attempt to relaunch the game at that point. Hopefully I would have been able to resolve the problem. Please note you might have multiple executable files for certain applications, so you might have different games that have multiple application files in there. Just do that for each of them, so there might be a few depending on the type of game you have, and that should hopefully be able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.